Right, g'day, and welcome to video number 1, which is just going to be an intro to the upcoming projects, and in no particular order. This is Corgi Morehouse's Lemon Cheese ERF van, model 44G. As you can see, it's structurally in very good condition, but paint-wise, it's a disaster. You can make out what's left of the decals. They appear to be paper decals, not water slide, so hopefully that will make them easier to replicate. Morehouse's jams. So yeah, she's in pretty good nick. The clear looks scratched and scuffed, but no cracks, I don't think. So that's one of the projects. Equally as in good structural condition is this Corgi tanker. It's a mobile gas tanker. Obviously it was all red, and someone's painted it green. It's a Bedford tractor unit. So yeah, appears to be in pretty good shape. All there. Clear parts look good. No crack or cracks that I can see. And a lot of the tyres actually might be salvageable as well. So we'll get a decal kit for that ordered. Here's one of the Dinky, I think it's probably an ERF or Foden. I love these. They come in all shapes and sizes. They come in tankers and vans, and this is a, they call a chain post truck. So it's missing 2 of the chain posts, which you can buy. Obviously it was grey bed with a red body, so I'd see no reason to restore it differently to that, but it's in good nick. They can sometimes get dropped on their corners, you can break their guards and bumper bars, but it's in pretty good nick. Bent tow hook, if that's the least of my problems, then I'm doing really well. Just wondering if, yeah, there may have been a spare wheel mounted there where the rivet was drilled, but if so, that's no problem, because I will get one of those sorted out. This is very sad. It's a Rover, I believe. Yep, Rover 90, Corgi Rover 90. So it's missing one complete A pillar, and the other is cracked at the top there. Looks like it was a cream colour and has been terribly painted blue. The clear, I'm tipping that she's broken up in that corner. Pretty straightforward resto other than that. So that'll be a challenge, because there's a seam line running up the A pillar, which I will replicate. So yeah, it looks like it's that the continuation of this line here that runs up the C pillar across the top of the roof and then down. So that'll be a challenge, but I'm not here to cut corners. I want to, my restorations will be the next level above what you see pretty much from everyone else. A lot of other people just do the basics, which is great, but and you know, it's the easy route, and I'm not really into that. So I like to go the hard yards, go the extra mile. Here's a Corgi Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster, and it's enough to make you weep, isn't it? Oh, God. So it looks like it was a creamy yellow. And then someone's had a crack at it with red and then silver. It may have been cream with a red roof. Geez, they really have gone to town on it with the silver paint. It's about an inch thick. Structurally though, good nick. So the clear parts look like they're just covered in paint. So that should not be too hard to restore either. What else have we got? What I would consider to be another fairly straightforward one is, I'm assuming it's a Corgi, yeah. Corgi Land Rover. What are these, a Series 1 Land Rover. Just missing a spare tyre. It's got a wobbly wheel on the hood there, which will obviously be easy to fix once the base plate's off. Broken bumper bars there. So there we go, that'll be a good test of my skill. So watch this space of how I fix those. Type hooks there. So yeah, clear parts in good nick. I don't think there's any cracks. So that should not be too hard. The front bumper bar will be the biggest challenge. Green with a white roof. So yeah, look forward to doing that one. And lucky last in this batch, Studebaker Golden Hawk. Someone's had a crack at painting it red and they've done a pretty good job. Ordinary job on the silver, but I'm pretty certain that all Studebaker Golden Hawks were gold. But correct me if I'm wrong. But up in there, you can see up in the light there, that's gold paint. So she was gold at some point, and I think all Studebaker Golden Hawks, they look great gold. I've seen them in the flesh, the real thing, and they look fantastic in gold. So also this one looks to have had a bit of a blow to the roof. Yeah, you can see in that roof line that looks pretty normal. On this side, it's had a whack, so that is going to be fun. It's ever so subtle, but it's had a hit somewhere around here. No biggie, we'll fix that. I'm glad that the clear parts have survived. So that's pretty much it. I've got so much of this stuff to do. This is just a small sample. But yeah, watch this space for the restoration of all of these Dinky and Corgi toys. Cheers, good luck.